In the initial part of this video, you can see the solution with a detailed explanation, and in the terminal part of this video, you can see the solution within 2 minutes. My dear students and parents, in this video, we are going to see an IIT-JEE main question held on 2019 10th April, conducted by NTA, that is National Testing Agency. Question number 2 in current electricity chapter. What is the question? The current of 5 ampere passes through a copper conductor, resistivity 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter, of radius of cross section 5 millimeter. Find the mobility of charges if their drift velocity is 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter per second. First answer is 1.5 meter square per volt second. The answer B is 1.3 meter square per volt second. The answer C is 1.0 meter square per volt second. The answer D is 1.8 meter square per volt second. Which is the correct answer? We have to select it. So, what are the data given? The data given are drift velocity, resistivity, current, and the radius of the cross section of a conductor. From the radius, we can find the area, that is cross-sectional area of the conductor, which is in circular shape, by applying the formula pi r square. So drift velocity, that is 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter per second. The resistivity is given as 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. The current is given as 5 ampere. The radius is provided as 5 millimeter. It is converted into meter. If we converted 5 millimeter into meter, we will get 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. The area is pi r square. Pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into the radius is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, the whole square. So in our hands, we are having drift velocity, resistivity, current, and area. Resistivity. Even though there are many formulae for the electric field, we are selecting this formula. The reason is the resistivity is given in the sum. We can find the current density, because the current and area we are having. From, if we divide the current by the area, we will get the current density. So that we are selecting the formula for electric field as current density into resistivity. Let us see the definition of drift velocity, mobility, current density, and also the various formulae for the electric field. What is drift velocity? Drift velocity is defined as the velocity with which the electrons are drifted towards the positive terminal when the electric field is applied. It is denoted by the letter Vd. The unit of the drift velocity is meter per second. Then what is mobility? Mobility is defined as the drift velocity when 1 unit electric field is applied. When 1 unit electric field is applied. This is the mobility. It is denoted by the letter mu. The unit of the mobility is meter square per volt second. The formula for the mobility is drift velocity by electric field. Drift velocity by electric field, Vd by E. Both the drift velocity and mobility are velocity. In both the cases, the electrons are drifted with this velocity towards the positive terminal. Then, what is the difference between drift velocity and mobility? The difference is, in the case of drift velocity, any amount of electric field can be applied to drift the electrons towards the positive terminal. But in the case of mobility, 1 unit electric field is to be applied to drift the electrons towards the positive terminal. This is the difference between the drift velocity and mobility. Then we are going to see why the unit of mobility is obtained as meter square per volt second. What is the formula for mobility? The formula for mobility is drift velocity by electric field. What is the unit of drift velocity? The unit of drift velocity is meter per second. What is the unit of electric field? Even though there are many units of electric field, we are selecting the unit for electric field as volt per meter. Volt per meter. So if we divide the unit of drift velocity by the unit, we will get m by s divided by v by m. If the divisor comes as fraction, it should be reciprocated and multiplied. If we reciprocated and multiplied, the numerator v, that is capital V, will become as denominator, and the denominator small m will become as numerator. Then we will get meter square per volt second. Then the definition of current density. The current density is the current flowing per unit area. It is denoted by the letter capital J. The unit of current density is ampere per meter square. Ampere per meter square. The formula for the current density is current by area. Current by area. The formula to find the electric field relating current density capital J and resistivity rho equal to, that is electric field capital E equal to current density into resistivity. So if we know these two data, we can find the electric field. After finding the electric field, if we substitute the obtained electric field in this formula, we can find the mobility of charges. So of these two data, the resistivity is provided as 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So we have to find the current density. As already stated, the formula for the current density is I by A. That is, if we divide the current by the cross sectional area, we will get the current density. Current density capital J equal to current capital I by area capital A. What is the current given in the sum? In the sum, the current is provided as 5 ampere. So we can substitute 5 ampere in the place of current. What is the cross sectional area of the conductor? The cross sectional area of the conductor is 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the whole square. So we can also substitute the area. If we multiply the current density with the resistivity, we will get the electric field. So therefore, electric field capital E equal to current density. What is the current density? We have determined the current density as 5 by 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the whole power 2. So we can substitute the current density. and we can also substitute the resistivity. The resistivity is supplied as 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So if we substitute, we will get the equation for electric field. Our next duty is, if we substitute this electric field in the formula of mobility of charges, that is drift velocity by electric field, we can find the mobility of the charges, that is mu. So mu equal to drift velocity by electric field. The drift velocity is given as 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter per second. So we can substitute that data. Then we have to substitute the electric field we have determined. What is the electric field we have determined? 5 by 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the whole square into 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Since the fraction comes as denominator, on reciprocating, this denominator will come to the numerator, so that we will get the equation for mobility of the charges as 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the whole square by 5 into 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8. If we consider all factors having the base 10 in the numerator, already there is 10 to the power of minus 3. If we multiple this 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2, we will get 10 to the power of minus 6. So that here I have written the 10 to the power of minus 6. Then if we bring the 10 to the power of minus 8 from the denominator to the numerator, it will become as 10 to the power of 8. So if we simplify all factors having the base 10, we will get 10 to the power of minus 1. Then if we multiple all numerical factors, we will get 10.1. What are the numerical factors? There is 1.1, 3.14, 5 square, 5 square equal to 25. Then in the denominator already the 5 is there and 1.7 is there. So if we find the value of all these numerical factors, we will get 10.1. If 10.1 is multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1, we will get the mobility of charges mu equal to 1 meter square per volt second. Out of this 4 answer, where we can find the answer 1 meter square per volt second, the answer C is 1 meter square per volt second. Therefore, the answer C is correct. We are going to find the mobility asked in IIT-JEE 2019 main examination. For details and the question, you can refer the board. In the sum, drift velocity, resistivity, current and radius have been provided. From the radius, we can find the cross-sectional area of the conductor. The formula to find the mobility is drift velocity by electric field. The drift velocity is provided in the sum, so it is enough to find the electric field. The formula to find the electric field is current density into resistivity. Current density into resistivity. So if we divide the current by cross-sectional area, we will get the current density. After finding the current density, we can determine the electric field by multiplying the current density with the resistivity. After finding the electric field, we can find the mobility by dividing the drift velocity by electric field. Drift velocity by electric field. If we multiply all factors having the base 10, we will get 10 to the power of minus 1. If we multiply the all numerical factors, we will get 10.1. Therefore, the mobility equal to 1 meter square per volt second. Therefore, the C answer is correct. For detailed explanation, you can see my separate video.